Cadillac STS leak repairs. The Cadillac Motor Car Division is a division of the American automobile manufacturer General Motors Company that designs and builds luxury vehicles. Its major markets are the United States, Canada, and China. Cadillac models are distributed in 34 additional markets worldwide. The Cadillac STS can hold its own on a challenging road. With a 302 horsepower V6 and 6-speed automatic transmission and either rear or all-wheel drive. The interior offers sofa-like seating surfaces. But the base suspension is overly soft. With the handling package it has a terrific balance of ride and handling. The STS can dance, even drifting its tail when asked. Cadillac STS service requirements will vary depending on the specific year and model of your vehicle, as well as your driving habits and conditions. However, some general maintenance requirements for the Cadillac STS may include oil changes. Regular oil changes are important for maintaining the engine's health and performance. The recommended oil change interval for the Cadillac STS varies depending on the year and model, but it is generally around every 7,500 to 10,000 miles. Tire rotations and replacements. Regular tire rotations can help extend the life of your tires and improve your vehicle's handling and safety. Tires should also be replaced when they show signs of wear or damage. Brake service. Regular brake inspections and maintenance are essential for ensuring safe and reliable braking performance. This may include replacing brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid. Fluid replacements. Other fluids in your Cadillac STS, such as transmission fluid, coolant, and power steering fluid, may also require periodic replacement. Air filter replacements. The engine air filter helps keep dust and debris from entering the engine, and should be replaced periodically to maintain proper airflow. These are just a few examples of the service requirements that may be necessary for your Cadillac STS. It is always best to refer to your vehicle's owner manual or consult with a qualified mechanic for specific recommendations based on your vehicle's year, model, and individual needs.